From News 19, I'm meteorologist Daniel Bonds. Here are the named storms so far and the one unnamed storm. The one unnamed storm occurred early in the year in January, but here are all the tracks that we've had so far this season. We've only had one hurricane. That was Don. Now, Franklin may turn into a hurricane before it's all said and done. Here is the forecast from NOAA. 14 to 21 named storms this season, 6 to 11 hurricanes, 2 to 5 major hurricanes. So far, we've had 9 named and unnamed storms and only one hurricane. That was Don. Now, Franklin may become our second hurricane of the 2023 season. Matter of fact, the latest from the National Hurricane Center indicating this possibly could become a Category 2 storm as early as Monday morning and then kind of move generally towards north. No direct impact towards the United States, at least in the short term, but you're talking about increased rip current threats and maybe even some increased tides. Watching this area in the southern and eastern half of the Atlantic, small chance or moderate chance, I should say, for further development. High chance for this to develop. This was Emily, and now we're watching a new area, this one that's going to be cutting across Central America and then moving into the eastern part of the Gulf of Mexico. Hurricane Center gives us a medium or I'll say a moderate chance of further development over the next 7 days. So this will be one we'll kind of have to watch. So European forecast model is on board for that to develop into something. You can kind of see it starting to develop right here, kind of moves towards the eastern part of the Gulf of Mexico and then kind of cuts across Florida. So again, that'll be something we'll watch. That would be Franklin up there. And you'll notice the model kind of moves it towards the north and east. I will say as of right now, the American or the GFS model is not on board with that, but officially the National Hurricane Center gives that area that's going to be cutting across Central America and then moving in to the Gulf of Mexico, about a 40% chance of further development over the next 7 days. So something we'll continue to watch.